I request first year CCR to come on the stage.
Good morning. Yeah. Seems you all are very active today. So, thank you for having me here today, and I'm very thankful to giving me this opportunity to share some of my thoughts that I learned from Buddhist classical ideas and philosophies. Today, the topic that I was given as a Buddhist philosophy modifies modern human being. Can you share my PowerPoint? Okay, next slide. This one? Okay. Am I audible? Good? Okay. So, we have traveled from the Stone Age to the Atomic Age, and today we are living in a very high standards and development. Okay, so he was doing something, he was repairing the car, and when he was repairing the car, accidentally he hit his like a forehead to somewhere else at the edge of car. So he got angry. So when His Holiness Dalai Lama came and he noticed that he was hitting his forehead to the car like this, more again and again, ding, ding, like, because of his angry. It's in that. So, if something is causing you a problem, you got it. You cannot eliminate, you cannot destroy all this external condition. If you are able to change your mental tendency, then things will be fine. So this is very nice, verse. I always keep this verse in my life. wherever I go, there is a two verse. It truly helps to me. Recently, my mother was hospitalized in Mysore. She had a uterus problem. There was some fluid and like a blood coat was there in the uterus. So doctor asked to do a surgery to remove this, fluid. And one day doctor came to me, okay, and he was saying that when I go to the people who are taking care of their patient, all of them, they were saying very sad and very tension. And I found only you, who have no any expression of, sad or some kind of anxiety. So this is, Buddhist philosophy. It says, if there is a problem, okay, and you have a problem, and if there is a solution for your problem, then there is no use of being unhappy. You have a solution. Okay, fix your problem. You have a solution there. If you have no solution for your problem, then there is no point of being unhappy. Isn't that? So I came to the hospital, I met the doctor who is expert on this problem. Why should I be unhappy? I don't have a shortage of money. I have an expert in front of me. So he is doing everything by himself. So why I should be unhappy? So this is the way of this is my way of thinking. So it truly helps me a lot. One thing I want to say, His Holiness Dalai Lama, when he was addressing to the people in the Christ University in Bangalore, he said, if you look at your problem from one angle, then your problem gives you a frustration. Okay, your problem makes you like a kind of sad and disappointment. But if you look your problem from the other angle, from the wider perspective, your problem gives you a lot of opportunity in your life. His Holiness said himself, I lost my country. I came to India as a refugee. I lost my country. Today I become the citizen of world. Today he is the most popular world icon, isn't that? So if you look at your problem only from one angle, then your mental way of thinking becomes very narrow, very short-sighted. So that's why what I'm trying to say, that modern university, including this Bangalore University, you could say like that. Every university today introducing like a material development. There is no university talks about the unconditional love. There is no university or institution talk about the compassion, love. So therefore, in this modern world, though there are many people who are highly educated, but they are becoming a troublemaker in the society. So that's why what I'm trying to say, that in this modern institution, not only the modern education, we have to teach the concept of like a message of love, compassion, and also meditation. Okay, if you are doing a meditation that you don't have to be a Hindu or you don't have to be a Buddhism, meditation, anybody can do the meditation. Student can learn the meditation. One could say the meditation is a secular. Even a non-believer, those who are not following to the particular religion, they can do the meditation. We can teach the meditation in every schools. In a secular way.